Hey everyone, I am Somdar, a core contributor at Manta Network. Today, I will be demonstrating the process for transferring your assets from Blast to Manta Pacific. So let's get started. Head over to the free.tech website and connect a wallet of your choice. Here, I will be connecting my MetaMask wallet. Click Blast off to Manta. Once the wallet gets connected, enter the quantity of ETH that you want to bridge in. Click on swap. Then click again on confirm. Click sign. Click confirm. That's it. You will be receiving BETH on Manta Pacific once the fund is released. Thank you.